Hey, what is going on, guys? I am so sorry. I meant to get the Devers video up last night, but things didn't go as planned on trail Saturday afternoon as I thought it was going to go. It got dark really fast and the weather took a turn for the worse. So it was basically try to get out of the trail as quickly and safely as possible. You could see the truck is a little bit dirty. I'm gonna have to clean it later this week. But the thing you guys wanted to see was how I fit a 35 now on the truck itself. So yeah, let's go ahead and talk about this. This isn't a fancy background. I'm not actually on trail. This is just a purely informational video just based on taking this rig supply unit out on the trail and testing it out myself. Give you guys my thoughts and first impressions of it. Obviously, you can tell that it's built really well. It does not wobble at all in the hitch, and that's basically in part because of the design. So if we look down here, there's a bolt. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. There's a bolt inside there behind the hitch pin that tightens, and it's a two-part hitch setup where it actually wedges in between it wedges itself inside, and when you tighten the bolt, it kind of tightens the inside of the mount of the hitch, and that attributes how it can work without wobbling when you're on trail or on the road. So let's kind of talk about how well this is built. So when I unboxed it, it actually came in a 100-pound box. It was packaged really well, and they actually put it together for you from Rigged. If you take a look at the mounting location, it does come out a little bit from the back of the truck. However, I have about an extra inch that I can go inside the hitch. I just have it on the furthest setting because I did want it out a little bit. I probably will put it inwards a little bit more. But the way mine is built, I have the front runner table with the rigged cutting board, the all-weather cutting board. So let's go ahead and take a look at everything. Now, this thing that I'm holding, this little pin, it locks in two spots. It locks in that spot right there, and if I come out, it has the upgraded locking handle. So this is disengaged, so let me go ahead and pull this out. I can put this locking pin here and push it forward, and it's not going to hit. Even if I didn't have the locking pin there, it's not going to hit the truck bed. So let me show you guys. I'm going to pull this forward. I'm going to take the pin out, and let's say something happened and you let it go all the way. It is not going to hit the truck. So this is all the way extended. This is how much clearance you have. So if something happened, you forgot it, let's say the wind blew it really hard, it's highly doubtful the wind's going to blow this thing. If you forgot the locking pin, it's not going to cause a issue with it hitting the truck. So let's go ahead and pull it forward a little bit, and then let's put the locking pin in, and then use it as a stopper. So this is how it looks when it's fully deployed. This is a Patagonia 35 315 7017, and this is how she looks. It is built super nice. Have a little bit of grease in there. 10,000 pound max load capacity. Let me go show you the front runner table, and it mounts to the actual tire carrier. Let me undo it. Super simple. And there you go. Super simple to deploy. And then, of course, the cutting board comes out. And you've got a place to put your grill. All kinds of other things. Let me put something on here. You guys know what size a water bottle is, so let's go take a look. There you go. That's how a water bottle looks on there. Gives you a little size comparison. And then putting it up is just as easy. Put the cutting board up. That slides in. And I'm doing this with one hand. Super simple. Put the front runner, clip it in, and then you're good to go. It has a really cool rigged little thing kind of chiseled into it. It's pretty awesome. So when you close it, you don't have to take that pin out. You go ahead and close the tailgate. And then I take this pin out. Oh, actually, there you go. Lift that, let that slide in. You do not lock this. There's a sequence to do this. So you put the pin in. Turn my camera. So you put the pin in first in the back. Once that locks in, then you come to the front. And then lock it. And then you're done. And you're all set to go. Overall, I am extremely pleased with this setup. So having a full-size spare puts me at ease a little bit more for the amount of traveling that we do. The places we go, having a full-size spare is nice. Just because, I mean, we came back from California without a full-size spare. And it kind of sketched me out a little bit, but the Patagonias have been great. It's been a good tire for me. So I'm going to be working on the APG Devers Leaf video. But I at least wanted to get this video out because I know you guys wanted to check out this tire swing and how it looks with the truck. There's a little bit of a side profile view. And like I said, if you guys are looking at this, I can take it in another inch. I just have it set this way. But the truck is filthy. The Devers did really well. With all that, it is awful inside there. Either way, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll have a link in the description of what exactly I ordered from Rig Supply. It was quite a fiasco to get FedEx to come deliver this, but they did, and it came in before the trail ride, and I am super stoked. I'm super happy with it. If you guys are wanting to fit a full-size spare, I think this is an excellent option over an actual replacement bumper. Now, if you guys are wondering why I didn't go with the Wilco, the Wilco ones I've seen, I'm not a huge fan of. Some of the people that I've driven one with a Wilco, and it had a bit of a wobble to it on the hitch, and I've heard that from another Ranger owner that has a Wilco. They said that it has a wobble in the hitch as well. I've seen some Wilco videos where the hitch pin, there's only one pin that holds it, keeps it from unfolding. But there's a 2 system on this Rig Supply one, which I really like. I like that handle, that locking mechanism. And yeah, and the other thing is the Wilco spare tire carrier is straight up and down. This one has a little bit more of an angle to it, which I prefer. I'm sure it's a little bit better for that weight to be leaning back a little bit. But yeah, you know, I prefer that style. I like it to have that little bit of a lean towards the truck, and I think it looks fantastic. So I hope this was helpful for you guys that are looking to get a spare tire mounted to your Ranger. This is an excellent option. Most people just seem to toss them in the bed of the truck, and that's really not an option for us. So this has been working out great, and I foresee us using this for a long time to come. And there's a lot of different options that you can do with the tire carrier. You can mount rotopacks. We can mount all kinds of different things to it. So either way, I don't want to make this too long. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's any questions that you have about it, let me know, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.